Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Monday and I'm Auntie Tay, which means it's the day that I tell you guys what is new for my members, and we are back. Last week I did not do one of these or a newsletter at all because we were in the middle of 12 DIYs of giveaways, which I am so thankful for all of you guys for donating. If you want to know how much we actually got donated, make sure to watch the Winner's Day. And also, if you donated, make sure to watch Winner's Day just in case you won your prizes. We are in full-fledged giving all those out right now as you are watching this. We are starting a new series which is called Craft Your Stash Challenge. And we are gonna be using the hashtag #CraftYourStash for the end of the year. And what this is me going live with you guys on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, and on all the places for me to try to finish using my stuff that I have lying around and pull out all my projects that are unfinished or not started. Who has those? But at the same time, I'm gonna be challenging you guys to pull out your projects and finish them with me. But I wanna see them on Instagram with the hashtag #CraftYourStash so I can encourage you and keep you motivated. But join me live. I don't have a schedule because I will literally just be pulling out a craft and going live whenever I have something that I wanna make. So I'm just gonna keep you on your toes. And we have something big today that I'm so excited for the members. We have personal use clip art, Disney personal use clip art, like over 200 clip arts for you guys to use. These are gonna go hand in hand with any craft that you make that you just wanna add a print and cut Disney character to. These are gonna be great for creating your own sticker packs, sticker sheets, stickers, period. With that, we have 2 more What's News for the end of 2020, which I am so excited about because we've almost made it to the end of this year. I know it's been so rough for everybody. So if you've been a member for this year, I'm so thankful that you have been a part of what I'm doing and helping us continue to keep moving forward with the craft membership and all the things. I'm so grateful that the membership has been able to help a lot of people who've been stuck at home be able to do fun things and have something to do while they're home. And if you've not been a member, we would love to have you. We come out with new things every single week, and we have some really fun stuff in the lineup for 2021, like Zoom courses and Zoom classes that I'll be updating on Mondays soon, okay? So with that, enjoy the new series. Thank you again if you donated to the 12 DIYs of giveaways. I have a few things behind me, around me that we made. It was seriously such a fun time, and I am so just inspired by all the things that we did that I am going to be kicking off my craft/lives like really a lot, okay? All right, I love you guys. I will see you guys in my live videos starting today.